Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today I am going to show you how to make salmon with peach salsa. This salmon with peach salsa is very healthy recipe and tastes so good. Let's get started. Rub salmon both sides with salt, black pepper, garlic powder set aside. On medium heat, in the hot pan, add butter. When butter is all melted, add salmon steak. Cook until both sides done. Transfer to the plate. Set aside. In a large bowl, place diced peaches, diced red bell pepper, diced jalapeno include seeds, diced red onion, diced tomatoes. Add salt. Add black pepper. Also you can add chili powder if need more spicy. Add lime juice. Zest of lime. Add cilantro. Gently stir to combine. Pour peach sauce in on top of the salmon. Enjoy!